If you're looking for a small, powerful vacuum to clean sofa and furniture, the Shark WANDVAC WV201 might be on your list. But is it actually worth it? Does the battery last long enough? Can it handle tough messes? Today, we'll evaluate Shark WANDVAC on suction power, ease of use, and maintenance to find if this vacuum is a smart buy for you. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. First off, let's discuss suction power. Shark claims it has ultra-powerful suction. And honestly, it delivers. It even works efficiently without direct contact, meaning the suction power is strong enough to pull in debris. The maximum suction strength measures at 9.71 kilopascals, which is great for a handheld vacuum. But it can struggle with heavier debris, like small pebbles or big chunks of dirt. On bare floors, the Shark WANDVAC handles debris like cereal and rice without much trouble. However, you might need an extra pass to pick up fine debris like sand. On low-pile carpets, it can grab most common messes like dust and small crumbs. Still, thicker particles or embedded debris may require more effort. When used on high-pile carpets, it does okay with surface-level dirt, but might struggle with deeper messes like fine dust. This vacuum shines when it comes to quick cleanups. It successfully picks up rice, breadcrumbs, cookie crumbs, paper, and even sticky cheese. Users love how easy it is to grab and use for those unexpected messes without the hassle of pulling out a full-sized vacuum. The pet hair performance is decent for a vacuum this size. It pulls most hair off upholstery and flat surfaces without clogging. That said, its small dustbin means you'll need to empty it often if you have a very furry friend. Now we'll check ease of use and maneuverability. Operating the vacuum is straightforward with just two buttons, one for power and another for boost mode, which increases suction when needed. Thanks to the included crevice tool, the WANDVAC excels at cleaning hard-to-reach spaces like couch cushions, baseboards, and car interiors. One of the biggest advantages of this vacuum is its portability. It's small and weighs just 1.4 pounds, so it's super easy to carry around and store. The design is sleek, modern, and honestly, it looks great underneath the cabinets without taking up much space. The charging dock is compact and convenient, making it easy to store while keeping the vacuum charged. Now, let's talk about battery life. This vacuum charges within 2.5 hours, but there's a catch. The battery runs out quickly. It has 10 minutes of runtime before needing to recharge. If you need something for extended cleaning, this may not be the best choice. To avoid frustration, it's best to keep it plugged in when not in use so it's always ready to go. The dustbin has 0.02 gallon capacity, which is quite small, so expect to empty it frequently if you're dealing with more than just light messes. But it's easy to empty with a single button press, making cleanup hassle-free. Among attachments, the vacuum has a pet hair tool that helps tackle fur on furniture and carpets. The vacuum makes a high-pitched noise while running, which can exceed 75 decibels. So better use it in an enclosed room to avoid interrupting a conversation. But there's more. The Shark WANDVAC does not have a HEPA filtration system. While the filter is washable and easy to maintain, this may not be the best choice for those needing high-level filtration for allergies. You can buy compatible aftermarket HEPA filters, though. Next, let's look into the ease of maintenance. Cleaning this vacuum is pretty simple. To keep it running well, Shark recommends cleaning the filter once a month. You'll find the filter behind the dust cup. Just rinse it under running water and let it dry completely for at least 24 hours before putting it back. Emptying the dust cup is also easy. Just press the release button near the nozzle to pop it open. Try to do this over a trash can to avoid spills. Also, remember to check for clogs and keep the charging contacts clean for best performance. Finally, let's discuss warranty and customer support. The vacuum comes with a 2-year limited warranty, but some users have had mixed experiences with Shark's customer service. While some reported positive interactions, others found it difficult to get assistance with issues or replacements. So should you buy Shark WANDVAC WV201? If you need a compact, powerful vacuum for quick cleanups, this is a solid choice. It's great for picking up small messes on both hard surfaces and carpets, and the attachments make it super versatile. But if you need something for longer cleaning sessions or heavy-duty messes, you might want to look at other options, which we discussed in this video. So check that out now.